Welcome to English Podcast by Cambridge Veritas. Fluent English isn't just a skill, it's your ticket to the life you want.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the English Podcast by Cambridge Veritas. I'm Myra.
And I'm Mike. Today, we're diving into something very real. Something that can happen to anyone, anywhere. An accident on the road.
Imagine you're walking down the street and suddenly, a crash. A car runs a red light and slams into a truck. People are shouting. Someone might be hurt. Would you know what to say in English?
Today's lesson isn't just about English. It's about how language can help you in an emergency, to help someone, to call for help, maybe even save a life. This is powerful English, and we want you to feel confident using it.
So listen closely, not just to the words, but the emotion, the tone, and how English speakers react in real-life moments. Ready? Let's go.
Section 1. Dialogue. Calling for help.
Hey, that car just ran a red light and hit that truck.
Is anyone hurt?
I don't know. Let's call 911. Hello? I'd like to report a car accident near the post office on Charles Street. It looks like a man is hurt. Yes, it just happened. Okay, thanks. Bye.
What did they say?
They're going to send an ambulance and a police car right away.
Good, they're here. I hope the man is okay.
I know. You have to be so careful when you're driving.
Section 2. Language notes.
Hey, this expression is used to show surprise. Notice how that car just ran a red light and hit that truck is said with a lot of energy.
Is anyone hurt? This is a yes-no question, so the intonation rises at the end. Notice how this question is asked in a worried way.
911. This is the phone number you dial for emergency services. The person who answers will ask you questions about the emergency situation, and then send out the necessary emergency services, which may include police officers, firefighters, and an ambulance.
I'd like to report a car accident near the post office on Charles Street. Notice how the keywords car accident, post office, and Charles Street are stressed. These are the important details that emergency services need.
It just happened. This is a way of saying it happened a moment ago. Notice the stress on just, which emphasizes that the accident happened very, very recently. What did they say? Notice how say is emphasized, but the intonation falls at the end of the word. This is a what question, so the intonation falls at the end.
If you're listening right now, take a moment to imagine you were in this situation. Could you describe what happened? Could you call for help clearly?
Today's lesson shows that English isn't just for exams or classrooms. It's for life. It's about helping, caring, reacting fast, and being brave.
So here's your challenge. In the comments, write one sentence you would say in an emergency situation. Maybe to call for help or describe what happened. We'll be reading every single one.
And if you found this episode helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this podcast with someone who's learning English. You never know, it might help them in a real emergency one day.
Before you go, don't miss our next lesson. We've linked it on screen. It will teach you even more phrases for urgent situations and how to stay calm when things go wrong.
Thanks for listening to the English Podcast by Cambridge Veritas. Stay safe, stay confident, and keep speaking English.
See you next time.